90 days and you could become a profitable trader. This is said by ICT himself. Many of his followers have been able to quit their jobs and become financially free after learning this trading strategy for 3 months. The strategy is called Silver Bullet, and we are going to show to you best ways to trade it. This strategy requires a specific checklist to be met. The first point we have to do is to mark the New York session open. This can be done in every session and on every pair. But for the sake of time, availability of people, and trading volume, we prefer the New York session. But just know that this can be applied to all sessions. The second thing we want to do is to identify and mark both of swing liquidity points, the sell-side liquidity and the buy-side liquidity. We mark the points before the session starts. The third step is to wait for the New York session to start and take down one liquidity side, be it the buy-side or the sell-side liquidity. The fourth step is to look for a market structure shift to confirm the trend reversal. The fifth and final step is to find a fair value gap to trade to the opposing side of the initial trend. Let's dive into the chart with live examples. The blue horizontal line represents the open of the New York session. First point checked. Now onto the second step. We mark both liquidity sides, which are the last swing low and high points. New York session has opened here, and it has taken the liquidity. The traders that bought long here likely got stopped out at this liquidity level. This is the step fourth. Market structure has shifted from a downtrend forming lower lows to an uptrend forming higher highs. And the final is the execution strategy, where we can use the fair value gap as an entry. We buy long with a stop loss below the last low and the take profit to the top side liquidity that we have marked. As you can see, the point of this strategy is to wait for New York institutions to break either liquidity side just to target the other side afterwards. So if institutions break the lower liquidity, we look for buying opportunities. And if institutions fist target the high liquidity, we look for sell short opportunities. Another way of trading the silver bullet that not many people know about is implementing the Fibonacci when there is no fair value gap, just as presented on the following live execution. We mark the liquidity points institutions look to hunt.